We are still cranking out these listings, guys. Dr. Real Estate coming at you. I got my agent Remy over here. Remy, what do we have?
What's going on, everybody? Welcome to my newest listing at 15 Bell Street in Irvington, New Jersey. Come on in, let's show this house. Thank you for taking this tour. My contact information is below. Feel free to contact me today, and I still can get you 5.125% interest rate on this house. Thank you so much. We'll see you later.